And now to the penalty phase in the trial for the Parkland school shooter.
Swastikas drawn by Nicholas Cruz were brought up in court today, leading to the defense calling for a mistrial. Local 10 News reporter Christina Vasquez is live right now at the courthouse in Fort Lauderdale with all the details. Christina?
And right now, you're going to hear the argument that underpinned that defense move. You're going to hear what the prosecution had to say and what the judge eventually decided. Let's listen together.
At this point, the defense respectfully moves for a mistrial.
The move by lead defense attorney Melisa McNeill coming after the court heard arguments about swastikas and documents related to their morning witness, teacher Scherer. They wanted the symbols redacted, arguing they're prejudicial. The judge disagreed, explaining her decision.
N is for, B is for.
By reading through some of the other inflammatory markings on the documents.
There's pictures, little stick people shooting each other in the face. Small swastikas, one of the lesser prejudicial markings on this paper. In the totality of this drawing, there are horrible things all over it.
And she said she would not yet rule on whether the state could introduce during cross-examination, given she hadn't heard the witness testimony yet. The defense seizing the moment to argue for a mistrial. They say it's warranted because, in her view, the judge's narrow morning ruling was a de facto ruling on this: swastikas etched into the shooter's AR-15 style rifle and boots. The state wants to present as evidence during rebuttal. The defense wanted to exclude the pending ruling they argue hampered their strategy for jury selection and case presentation.
By allowing the swastikas to come in through carry on, the court has ruled on SF 202. The court's failure to rule on this motion prior to the swearing of the jury and during the pendency of this trial is in fact an abuse of discretion by not ruling on it, because the defense has chosen not to do certain things without this ruling.
I mean, the defense has no problem with the N-word coming in. They're equally as terrible.
The state disagreed with their reasoning, the judge denying the defense motion for a mistrial.
As to evidence that may or may not come in on cross-examination, or evidence that you have a choice of whether or not you can put in, or through a witness that you have a choice as to whether or not you can call, is disingenuous. It's denied. Your motion for mistrial is denied.
And that means the jury in this case this morning has already seen some of those documents that include some distressing and disturbing images, in addition to what you just learned about there, right? As the judge kind of read through verbally what is in this document, I can tell you that it also includes some depictions of nude stick figures engaged in some sexually explicit behaviors. And this all dovetails with a middle school teacher who is currently on the stand and explaining to jurors the pattern and practice of vulgar behavior she saw from her then student, the Parkland shooter. Reporting live for you, I'm Christina Vasquez, Local 10 News.